I don't know about you guys, but evening is usually that time of the day when I feel super hungry, especially after a long day of work. But one of the biggest issues is that we don't have many quick, healthy snacks to choose from. So what do we end up doing? We end up eating something on the go, something that's gonna probably sabotage our fitness goals, or something that's probably not good for us, which we will surely regret later. But let's make sure that doesn't happen again. So in this video, I'm going to be going over 2 high protein snack options which are super simple and super easy to make. Before we move ahead, if you are new here, my name is FitLifeWithVatsa and I am a self-taught fitness enthusiast. If you are looking to stay fit, lose weight, build muscle and just improve your life overall, then you are in the right place. I am not like other fitness YouTubers. I am not a bodybuilder. I am not shredded with six-pack abs all year long. I don't even have crazy genetics. I am like most of you who are either studying or working a 9 to 5, just trying to stay fit and just trying to be better every day. Every week, I'm going to be sharing delicious low-calorie Indian recipes which you can add straight into your diet and still continue to make progress in the gym. Along with that, I'm also going to be sharing fitness-related content broken down into very simple terms that help me to go from this to this. So please do consider subscribing. With that, let's jump into snack number 1. Protein ball. It's a no-bake, delicious energy ball, and the best part about it is it's the easiest recipe you can possibly make. You don't believe me? Well, let me show you. In a grinder, add 40 grams of old-fashioned oats and grind it up into a powder as such. Then in the same grinder, let's add 92 grams of dates to give us that sweet, delicious taste. Along with that, we're gonna add 2 scoops of whey protein, 25 almonds, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 15 grams of chia seeds, and finally 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And that's pretty much it, guys. Let's grind everything up until you bring it to a consistency as such. Finally, it's time to go in and roll the mixture up and make them into 7 equal balls. And what did I tell you? As simple as that. Trust me, 2 of these should be more than enough to satisfy your evening hunger. Now, moving on to the macros, if you make 7 equally sized balls, then each ball is about 150 calories, of which 18 grams are carbs, 5 grams are fat, and 9 grams are protein. Didn't I tell you? Super simple, tastes amazing. Give it a try. Now let's move on to snack option number 2. Don't feel like having something sweet? Do you enjoy something more savory? Then this is the perfect snack for you. Paneer bread masala. Take 2 slices of bread. I had white bread while making this recipe, so I went with that. Toast them up and cut them into small cubes. Then in a pan on medium flame, add a bit of butter, and once that heats up, add 1 chopped medium onion and 1 to 2 green chilies. Once the onions turn golden brown, let's add half cup of green bell peppers and saute it for a bit. Then add 1 medium tomato chopped, and once that turns all soft, add 60 grams of crumbled paneer. Along with that, some salt, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Mix everything up and finally add the bread pieces, give it a few more stirs, and there you go. Your delicious paneer bread masala is all set. Moving on to the macros of this recipe. This entire recipe is about 380 calories, of which 46 grams are carbs, 15 grams are fat, and 16 grams are protein. With that, we come to the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you found it informative. If you did, please give it a like and also hit the subscribe button. Do try the recipe out, and if you do, please do tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And also let me know what you think about this new setup. I think it looks great, but do let me know in the comments down below on what you think. With that, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.